Hi guys, this is a one very short lesson. Well, with me you actually never know. How to count in peyote stitch. Let's start to talk about how many columns we have here. We started this piece with 8 beads. That means that we are going to have 8 columns. And you can count them like this, like they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can count them also like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is how you count also the beads in the first 2 rows. How many rows is in this piece? Some people count here in the middle. I count by on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. I have 8 rows with 8 beads. Each row has 4 up beads. Here, this. Those are up beads. Those are beads in the same row. So when you have to do some embellishing, these are beads in the same row. When you need to do embellishment, you are going to use sometimes, most often you will use beads in the same row. These are also beads in the same row. These are beads in the same row. Those are all those up beads you were using during your work. So that is how you are counting in peyote stitch. If something else also comes up on my mind about that, you will be informed through new lesson or through some lesson, and then that will be additional part. For now, this is enough to know how to count in peyote stitch. See you in the next lesson.